It's December here at the junkyard, picking up the calipers for the 280C disc brakes conversion. Really came to help my neighbor get the rear diff for his truck. I got the OEM rear calipers from a 2010 Ford Mustang. As you can tell, it says Ford. A little rusty, but yep. Beats having to buy aftermarket non-brand for about $200 or something like that. Page is $64 for this. I'm back. These are the Mustang calipers that I bought for my 280C rear disc brake conversion. As you can see, they're a little rough. I'm gonna try this rust removal process with the battery charger. They just said you pour some baking soda inside a piece of metal, connect your positive to that piece of metal, connect your negative lead to that, and if your connection is good, you should start seeing bubbles as we're seeing here. And yeah, now you just gotta leave it there for a couple hours. It's self-regulating, so they say. There's no real damage to this. It's not like you can overcook your part, but yeah, so let's see. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Let's see in about 3 hours how it looks. It's been over 24 hours, technically about 26. I'm getting some gloves. As you see, it's still bubbling. Let's see. Make sure you never touch without disconnecting the battery charger. Take these off, and let's see if this works. As you can see, that's how it looks. That's how I went in. We're going to come here and we're going to rinse it. Seems to be working. Seems to work pretty good. After 24 hours, you rinse it off. Look how clean it looks, ready for paint. Save yourself a couple bucks if you can't sandblast or don't have the area to sandblast.